Hi everyone, let's make beautiful leaf art. So cut this leaf, paste it on the sheet of paper. We are making a wizard hat. Add the top of it. Now paste eyes, nose, draw its hands, its legs, and look, your beautiful artwork is ready. Look at this beautiful rose flower. Let's make it. So collect some leaves, cut it and make a pearl. Now paste this stick at the center using double-sided tape. Similar way, we're going to paste all the leaves like this one after another around the stick using double-sided tape, and look, your rose flower is ready. We're going to make this beautiful lion. So draw the face of the lion on this cardboard and paste leaves around it using double-sided tape, and look, your lion face is ready. We're going to make this beautiful doll using leaves. So first we're going to paste the girl head inside the leaf and make the hairs of the doll. Now make its dress using these ginkgo leaves. Paste all of them, make the beautiful dress like this. Paste stars around it, and look, it is ready. Let's make leaf art. Here we are making beautiful two bees using leaves. So draw its eyes, its face. We are also making the antennas. Paste their little wings on the top of it. We are also making heart, and look, your leaf art is ready. We're going to use these dry chinar leaves and draw beautiful patterns on the top of it. Here we are using this white marker. We are drawing different patterns like small leaves. We are also doing outlines like this. Similar way, we can make more such designs. They are looking very pretty. Let's make artwork using these green leaves. So paste the leaves. Now we are making a snail. So paste it on the center. Now make the body. We are also drawing spiral on the top, and look, your snail artwork is ready. We're going to make these very creative animals using leaves. First we are drawing the face of the animal. Paste its googly eyes. Now we are going to use these ginkgo leaves. Draw the legs and hands. Here we are going to make this one eye animal like this. Draw lines on it. Draw its legs. You can make more such creative animals using leaves, and look, your artwork is ready. In this video, we're going to make a creative artwork using leaves. So we are making a bird, make its crown, its eyes, draw its legs. We're making it creative by drawing the raindrops using leaves, and look, your artwork is ready. Look at these colorful butterflies. We're going to draw all these patterns on ginkgo leaves using colorful sketch pens. Look how we are making these patterns. Here we are doing blue color and then orange on its wings. Draw dots around it. Similar way, you can make more such creative patterns on green leaves, and look, it's done. Here we are going to make dress for this doll using leaves. First we are going to paste double-sided tape. Now paste all the leaves and make a beautiful red skirt like this. Paste all the leaves, and look, the skirt is ready. Look at this very pretty butterfly. Let's make it. We're going to use two leaves together. Now tie it like this and make the antennas. Now spread the wings like this, and your butterfly is ready. Now you can make more such butterflies like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.